What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to equalize the music coming from your JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. So if you don't like the default sound and you want to do a bit of equalizing from your JBL Flip 6, all you need to do is from your phone, go to the App Store, either on Android or iOS, and then look for an app called JBL Portable. And this is the app you're looking for, JBL Portable app. Go ahead and install this app on your phone and then launch the app. And of course, if you're launching it for the first time, you'll need to pair the app to the Bluetooth device, which is this JBL Flip 6. Now, I've already gone through that process. And so as you can see, my JBL speaker has been detected, and this is a dashboard. And as you can see here, there is an equalizer for my speaker. And this is where I can adjust the bass, increase or reduce bass. I can also play around with the mids and the treble and customize it to exactly the way I want. It's not a very elaborate equalizer panel, but it works and it can change the sound that's coming from a JBL Flip 6 portable speaker. And that's basically how you can equalize the music of your JBL Flip 6. Thanks for watching and good luck.